Hello bougie besties, welcome to my channel. So if you're here, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when your girl uploads more videos. Welcome to Bougie Bestie Beauties. Here, I am the CEO. My name is Shantel White, and I specialize in wholesale lip gloss. I do lashes. Aren't they bad? Matte lipstick, shade Risky, if you're feeling risky. I'm a vendor for other small businesses. I do self-defense keychains. See, it's cute. So ladies, if you need to be safe, you can buy one of these. They cost $20 and up. I even wholesale these. I have packages where you can buy these if you're looking to start your own business. My Mink lashes, high quality. Look at that, gorgeous, super fluffy, not that thin, bad quality mess. Like, look at them. These are made for people to look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. I'm gonna do lips gloss. This is the order I'm actually packaging up for my wholesale customer. She wasn't playing no games. She sells out every time she buys this. She sells out very quick. I also, if you're someone looking to fill your own tubes, my lip gloss all comes in a jar, $25 each jar. So this is an 8-ounce jar, and it fills probably about 15 to 20, depends upon how big your tubes are. But this right here is Pink Diamond. She's one of my best sellers. Isn't she gorgeous? And then this is another bestseller. This is Barbie. And then also I got watermelon. It comes in about 20 different flavors. So you can check out my website if you need anything. I do also lipstick. I'm a wholesaler as well. So if you're interested in your own lipstick line, your girl makes it. Everything's vegan, cruelty-free, clean environment. I sanitize, I wear a mask, I wear gloves. We're in a pandemic right now, so I make sure everything is safe because, this is products for her face. Like, we don't play about her face. So, if you're interested in something or, you're looking for more things, check out my website, follow us on Instagram, I do a lot of giveaways on this channel too. So I'm so excited to have you here. And thank you so much for being a bougie bestie. So let's get this money.